G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. In this video, I reckon every single person on the planet is going to want to watch this at some point. This is how to delete Snapchat. Now, before I get started, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Now, let's go. Now, we all downloaded Snapchat at some point in time. We all felt like we were missing out a little bit. We all thought, hey, what's this cool thing? Let's download this and get into it. And eventually the fun and novelty started to wear off. I didn't have anything to hide from anyone, so I wasn't using it. I wanted my pictures to be in good quality, not grainy, crappy Snapchat photo quality. I wanted my images to be saved forever. I wanted them copied onto my computer, not owned by Snapchat somewhere for someone to hack one day and reveal to the world. So I got a little bit sick of it. And yes, I stopped using it. I tried, I really did try, giving in to the technology gods, and I've stopped using Snapchat. Now I know there's some of you out there that still like sending the odd nude to one another. Hey, you go for it. Or inappropriate messages that could get you in trouble, so you want them gone. But the rest of us could not give a flying rat's ass. How do we delete these accounts? So the first thing you want to do is open this Snapchat. Like that. Then the second thing you want to do is click on your little Bitmoji icon of yourself. Just like that. Now the third thing you want to do is click on the gear icon. Now that we've done that, we want to scroll down to support. Click on that. Wait for it to load. This is all designed so you don't delete it too. Now we're going to scroll down to my account and settings. Just here. Now we're going to go to account information to be precise. And at the bottom of that, you can see here, delete my account. Click on that. Then, you thought that was it? No, they don't make it that easy. Then you need to go to this page. So you've got a whole paragraph there telling you some other information. Then you go to this page, type in the username and password for the account you want to delete. So you're not already logged in your account that you want to delete. Now you've got to go to another page, type in your password, username. Let's do this. Now you're presented with this page here. It says, oh snap, you're leaving us. If you're sure you want to delete your account, please enter your username and password below, which I've already done to get to this point. Then press continue. Your account will be deactivated, which means your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. Oh, diddums. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you'd like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log back in. So they make it very, very hard to delete it, but then to reactivate it, just log back in. I don't like that. Now, account deactivated. So I'm now going to wait 30 days from today. Now I've also uninstalled it from my phone, so there's no way it can think that I'm trying to log in. In 30 days I will not have a Snapchat account.